So hello and welcome back to my channel Rahul FX. So this is the week 13 episode 11 of my road to 0 to 100k funded challenge, and this week unfortunately I've taken four trades and all of the four trades were a losses, and there were good losses, and all of them were based on my strategy. So like there was no issue like me over risking or over leveraging or taking the wrong trades. So everything was based on my trading plan. So yes, without any further issues, let's just jump right into the video. So today is Monday and I've taken the trade today, and I'll just quickly run through a trade that I've taken and what I had done. So there was a 1 hour fair value gap here. I'll go into the 1 hour time frame quickly. I'll explain it. So overall, my bias was bullish and to take out this high over here to run through the daily fair value gap. But I was waiting for the market to tell me what it wants to do. So moving on to the pre-London session, I found an opportunity. As you can see, within the fair value gap, sell side liquidity got swept. There was a manipulation move. Now the mistake, I think so. This was a mistake. Like while trading, I didn't realize it. So the main thing that I had done was after this sell side manipulation liquidity sweep move, I considered this as a CISD, but there was no displacement with the CISD move. Like CISD move has to be done with displacement. Okay, but I was entering in my master ID. So I thought that if market, most of the time what happens is within the 1 hour time frame, market just pops up and it doesn't give entry over here. Okay, so I just placed my limit order here. I placed my limit order somewhere around here. So in the CISD, because I'm taking entry in the CISD because market is not giving any pullback most of the time. So here was the entry and the market, my stop loss was here. I don't know how I got stopped out. The Maven spread is so high. So first, even if I put it here, my stop loss would have got taken somewhere around here. So yes, this was the trade and simple sell side liquidity manipulation of CISD. This was supposed to be the entry. But now looking into the trade behind, like after taking the trade, I'm thinking is overall, if you see the 1 hour time frame, it was kind of bearish in the 15-minute time frame also. As you can see, market had run through previous order block or fair value gap. So in order to take this sell side liquidity, there must be a huge displacement to the upside for me to take a trade in order to capture this buy side liquidity. Okay, so I think the only mistake I did was miscalculating the displacement. So yes, that's it for Monday, and I'll catch you guys later. So yes, today is Tuesday, and today just now I've taken a trade. Today is the 6th May 2025, and as you can see, this is the trade. So I just quickly explain: buy side liquidity gets taken within the 1 hour fair value gap. Then there is a manipulation move. Then there is a CISD. So this was the considered my CISD with displacement, as you can see. Then now I didn't realize that there was news in 12:30. Okay, I just thought London would open. It might manipulate a little bit and it might eventually come back to the range. Okay, but as you can see, as London opened, it directly went and took this high manipulator. So my initial stop loss was here. But as I was operating the MetaTrader, I slightly adjusted my stop loss a little bit higher, gave it a little bit room to breathe. And now, as you can see, it turned out a little bit, but overall, I don't know what the market wants to do. It will do it itself. So after these points gets taken, I will put my stop loss to break even. And yes, I'll calculate the I every time I mispronounce this thing. What is called standard deviation. So this help me manipulation move. So 2 to 2.5 is exactly here. So I'll just be waiting for my entry target to get it. Simple as that. Buy side liquidity is overall. If you see, 1 hour is currently this fair value gets taken. So this was the liquidity to get taken. So this got taken. Then overall in this 1 hour fair value gap, there is also a 4 hour fair value gap inside that holded like before this trade only, as you can see, but it had a big weak rejection. So that's the main point of me gaining a second confidence to enter the trade. And as you can see, the market is currently moving downward, and as you can see, like 3 to 4 points away from hitting stop loss, not pips, points. So now currently market is little bit in profit, and so yes, let's see what happens. I'll update you once the trade ends, once I close the trade. So yes, just finished wrapping up the trade, and the trade unsuccessfully closed on profit. I'll prop up the execution on the right side. So like I don't think so I've done anything wrong in this trade except for the overall current high time frame market order flow. So and there was multiple news here as well. As you can see, I'll show the Forex factory. The market was like moving very crazy. Like the market went here, didn't take this, and just came down here. Then it started fumbling here, and again directly it went and took out this liquidity. So yes, I'm thinking of entering once more to see. Let's see what I'm not going to enter. I don't feel too confident in entering the second trade. So this was my trade here, and yes, as I explained it before, this was my overall draw, and the market just didn't move exactly as you can see. All from 12:15 to 12:45, the whole euro like the market was fumbling too bad. I don't know what was happening. There are more news as well, so I'll not be participating in any more trades as of now. But the market is still giving opportunities. So, but still, I'll not partake in anything. So I just took this trade now. Today is a Wednesday, uh, 7th of May 2025, and the simple reason was market is still bullish, showing bullish order flow, and there is a 1 hour fair value gap where, and this was the my sell side liquidity sweep. Then there was a manipulation move. This was the manipulation move, and then this was the for me a change in the state. As you can see, series of down close candle, three candle plus close below that above the with a displacement, and my entry was here, and I don't know, the market just stopped me out, and yes, that's this trade. So I'm looking for a second opportunity if I get, because like within 1 minute the market took me out. So feels like weird because overall the market is still bullish, and this buy side liquidity gets taken. Then there is Asia high, and there is this buy side New York high to get taken in this session. So this trade I had planned, and I don't know what went wrong with it, or from my side, I did everything that I was supposed to do. So yes, that's it. This is the trade. If I do take any trade, I will update here. So yes, this is the second loss that I've just taken. So first loss was this one. And overall, I don't know what the market is doing because it is overall showing a bullish order flow. It had ran through this bearish 2 hour FBG, showing that overall this is the drawn liquidity, and continuously it has blown my two trades away. And so this was the sell side liquidity sweep. This was the manipulation move. It has swept the manipulation move once more times. Now I don't know if I'm doing anything wrong or not, but this was the perfect trade for me, and I'm overall happy with it. I'll pop up the execution here in the right side, and so yes, this was the trade. I'll just show the trade here also. So here I'll just mark my trade here also. So just a new 1 hour candle had opened, and the market just ran through my uh, stop loss. You can see this previous 1 hour candle rejected through this 1 hour fair value gap. But now, as you can see, this candle just ran through my stop loss here, and overall today I took a overall loss of $35. So first trade I reached $11. Then second trade I was more confident because it swept the manipulation move once more. So I reached 1% of my account, and overall first trade I lost $11.75, and second trade I lost $24. So overall today $35 I've lost. So I'll just be detaching myself from today, and so overall I'll end the week here only, and I'll further not look for any more opportunities. So yes, that's it for this video. Overall this week, previous week I had ended with four trades, three wins, one loss, or one break even. And this week I have taken three losses. So it's part of the game. It's part of my strategy. Overall, if you see my strategy, like 44% overall with a 2.7 risk to reward, supposed to make me profitable. So I just need to go to 50 trades and see what are the outcomes. So overall, I've taken 34 trades. So yes, that's it for this video. Bye bye. Take care. Meet you in next week. So yes, anybody watching till this end, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. So this is like me trying to share the ups and downs of actual trading. No bullshit, no over risking or over leveraging, like not promoting all random stuff and all that. I'm just showing every part of trader, the ups and downs. I showed you my winning streak. I'm showing you my losing streak. I could have easily skipped this video. Okay, but this is a mental journey as well as a trading journey for me to become a better trader, a good trader. So yes, that's it for this video. If anybody is watching, thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you next week.